So you've got this amazing idea, right? You have the passion, you have the drive, but that credit score is just looming over you, making you sweat. It can honestly feel like this giant wall standing between you and your dream. But let's get one thing straight right now. It is not a dead end. It's a hurdle for sure, and in this explainer, we are going to draw the exact map you need to clear it.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to look this challenge right in the eye. Then, we'll talk about building your new financial foundation. After that, and this is the exciting part, we're diving into all the other funding options out there. We'll learn how to make your application totally stand out, and finally, we'll map out your clear path to getting that capital.
Okay, let's start by just facing this thing head on. A low credit score isn't some judgment on your ability to be a great entrepreneur. Not at all. It's just a business obstacle, a pretty common one, and like any obstacle, we just need a strategy to get around it.
I mean, this is the question, isn't it? This is the one that keeps people up at night. Well, let me just give you the short answer right now. No, absolutely not. It just means the front door to the big traditional banks might be closed for now, but trust me, there are a whole bunch of other doors we can open.
So, what do we even mean by bad credit? It's not some vague, scary concept. In the world of business lending, it usually points to a personal FICO score that's somewhere below 630. Now, to a traditional lender, all that number says is higher risk. That's it. That's the barrier. But now that we've actually put a number on it, we know exactly what we're working to overcome.
All right, this section is huge. This is where you grab the steering wheel and take back control. Instead of letting a number from your past define your business's future, you're going to write a whole new story, one based on the actual strength and potential of your business. And it all starts with getting your financials in order.
These 3 steps, this is your new foundation. First things first, pull your credit report. You need to know exactly what's on there. Maybe there are errors you can get fixed right away. Second, you need a rock-solid business plan. This is your chance to prove you've thought of everything. And third, you got to project your numbers. You have to show a lender exactly how you plan to make money and, pay them back. And this just nails it, doesn't it? Think about it. A credit score is all about your past. A business plan, that's about your future. A really compelling, well-researched plan that shows a clear road to making a profit can make a lender feel way more confident in you than some 3-digit number ever could.
Now we get to the really good stuff. So if the traditional banks say no, where do you go? Well, welcome to the world of alternative funding. There's an entire ecosystem of lenders out there now who are specifically set up to work with businesses just like yours.
Honestly, the single biggest mindset shift you need to make is this. Stop thinking that the giant bank on the corner is your only shot. It's not. The whole financial world has changed. There are now dozens of legitimate, really effective ways to get the cash you need to get things going.
Okay, let's break down 2 of the most popular options. On one side, you have online lenders. Their huge advantage is speed. I mean, you can get money in your account in a day or 2. The trade-off? The interest rates are usually higher. This is perfect if you need cash fast to jump on an opportunity. Then on the other side, you've got microloans. These are smaller loans, often from nonprofits, with more reasonable rates. They are amazing for startups that just need some seed money to get off the ground. And the list just keeps going. There's invoice factoring, where you can basically sell your unpaid invoices to get cash right now. A merchant cash advance gives you a lump sum today against your future card sales. You've got crowdfunding, where you can raise money straight from your customers and community. And CDFIs are these amazing mission-driven lenders that exist specifically to help entrepreneurs in underserved communities. The point is, you have way more options than you think.
Okay, so you've looked at the options, and you've picked a potential path. Now what? How do you make your application jump to the top of the pile? This is all about building the strongest possible case for your business, no matter who you're talking to.
See this number? This can be your secret weapon. It's all about having skin in the game. Lenders absolutely love to see that you are personally and financially invested. If you can put down about 25% of the loan amount or offer up some collateral that's worth about that much, you seriously reduce the lender's risk, and that just dramatically boosts your chances of hearing yes.
This is all about focusing on what you can control. You can show them bank statements that prove you have strong, steady cash coming in. You can offer up your equipment or inventory as collateral. You can sign a personal guarantee to show them you're all in. And you can wrap it all up in that amazing, compelling story you wrote in your business plan. Each one of these things helps paint a picture of a stable, growing business that is a fantastic bet.
Whew, we've covered a lot of ground here, right? From understanding the problem to digging into real, concrete solutions. So let's bring it all home and really focus on the big takeaway from all of this. This slide pretty much says it all. The whole goal here is to shift your perspective. We're moving from a mindset of limitation to one of possibility. It's not, my credit score defines me. It's, my business plan defines me. It's not, there are no options. It's, there are so many paths to funding. And you're no longer just expecting a no. You know that your preparation is what creates the opportunity.
Let this one really sink in, okay? If you take away only one thing today, let it be this. Your credit score is just a data point. It's about the past. Your business, your vision, your hard work, your preparation, that is the story of your future. And that is what a smart lender is going to invest in.
So, after all this, what happens next? Don't just let this be interesting info. Make it real. Make it actionable. Are you going to go pull your credit report right now? Start outlining that business plan. Maybe start researching microlenders in your area. The journey to getting funded starts with one single concrete step. What's yours going to be?